Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the IP class of 11th. This is Gaurav Jain. In the previous lecture, we have learned about the RDBMS, Relational Database Management System. So there are various softwares which is used to manage the data, the relational data. Among these softwares, MySQL is in our syllabus. So today, we'll practice MySQL from starting. So in this lecture, you will able to learn how to create table, how to create database, how to insert data, and many more things about the database. Let's start with the practical work. The first, how to open MySQL is click on the start menu. There you can see MySQL command line interface. When you click on that button, it will ask for a password. So in our system, by default the password is root or the password that you have set when you install that MySQL. So here my password is root, then I have to write root and press enter. Then the MySQL will start. This is the screen of MySQL basically. So let's start. Just wait, let me change the size of the fonts so that it can be more visible then. So I think it's visible now. So this is the interface of MySQL. Now what to do? First create the database, because without database we cannot create the tables. So the command of creating database is to create. So let me tell you first, there are two types of command in MySQL. The first is the DDL command and second is the DML command. DDL means data definition language and DML is data manipulation language. We'll study these two commands later in explained method, but now create command is the DDL command that is used to create the schema. Schema means the structure, the skeleton of the database. So create database and then you have to write the name of the database. Let's see, my database name is school, then semicolon and press enter. Now query OK, one row affected means your database is created. Now you have to use the database because like database is like a folder. We have created a folder and when we enter in the folder, then only we can create the files in it. So we have to enter in a database with the help of use command. So use name of the database, that is school, and semicolon. Database change means you are using the school database now. Fine. Now it's time to create a table. Okay, what is the first we want a structure of the table like here is a structure. There is a table named student. Something will open. Okay, here is a table named student and these are some columns like serial number whose value is number, name whose value is text, date of birth whose value is date, class whose value is text, and section whose value is text. So this is the structure of the table and we have to create this table in the MySQL. Okay, let's start. So first command is create table and name of the table like student. Then press enter. You can continue in one line also. The start the curly parenthesis, then write the name of the column s underscore number space. It's data type. Second column is the data type. So data type is number. So we can take in the place of number it is integer, integer. Then press each column is separated by the commas. So integer is a value, you all studied math till 10th class, so you very well know what is integer. All the negative and positive value without any decimal places are called integer. So all the columns are comma separated, so I have placed one comma here, then press enter. Next column is name and its data type is text. So in the place of text we can write varchar, variable character, and its length 30 characters. Means in the name column we can enter up to 30 characters. And char and varchar, these are the two data types which are used to enter text in the database. Okay, so we'll learn later what is char and what is varchar. Now we just want to learn the how to create a table. So that is varchar. Next is dob. The data type is date, comma. Then next is class. The data type is text, so we can use varchar. Text है तो varchar है, तो we can enter how many characters, like 2 characters, 10th and 12th, which one open. You can take number in place of, but because in the question it is written text, so we can take the char or varchar. If it is written number, we can take the integer there. Okay, section, it's text, so we can choose char. Char is the fixed length, var is the variable length. That's the main difference between char and varchar. Okay, one character. Section is A, B, C, O, D. That's why we can one. Now we have to close this parenthesis, the upper parenthesis here, and at the end, there is a mistake over there. We have to put comma here because in the previous column we haven't put, and at the end we can put a semicolon and then press enter. Query OK. 0 row affected means our table is created. So how to view our table structure? There is a command describe, 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 and table name. What is the name of the table? Student, and press semicolon, and this is a table. Serial number, integer, name, varchar, date of birth, date, class, varchar, section, char. These are the data types. Okay, in the place of describe we can write DESC also, DESC, then student. This is the short form of describe. The same structure will be appear. So describe is used to view the structure of the table. Describe is used to view the structure of the table. I think you all have understood how to create a table. Okay, let's revise it again. We'll go to the previous. First, we have to create a database using create database school. Then the school database is created. We can use the database here, use school. It means we entered in a database. Then we have to create a table. Create table student, serial number, name, date of birth, class, section with all its data types. So data type means the type of data which you want to enter in that particular column is data type. Okay, I think all of you understood. So it's a practical class. You have to do it in practical. So you can download MySQL with the help of Google. I will place the link to download MySQL in the description of this video. You can click on that link and download that video. At the end, I will give 2 questions, means 2 tables to create, and you have to create that table and give your answers in the comment of this video, so that I can understand, you can view the video, you can understand how to create table and all. So table is created. one more is describe. Describe is used to view the structure of the table. So describe or DESC, these are the same commands, and then you have to write the table name. Okay, next one more command is there, show databases. This will show how many databases are in your system, like information schema, MySQL, performance schema, Sakila, school, sys and word. School we have created right now, and other are by default databases. When you create the when you download or install that MySQL, it will create it. Okay, now show tables. When you use school, okay, then show tables. In the database school, how many tables are there, it will display. Only one table is there, student. Okay, in the next video we will learn how to enter data in a particular table जो भी अपने created करी है. ठीक है. So now it's the assessment time. There are two questions. Just wait. So my first question is this table employee. So these are the column, employee number, whose data type is number, name, whose data type is text, designation, data type is text, date of joining, data type is date, salary, data type is number. Okay, second table is library, book number, data type is number, name of book, data type is text, author name, data type is text, date of purchase, data type is date, price, data type is number. So now you have to create these two tables and write your answers in the comment in this video. Okay, so we'll continue with the next lecture about how to enter data in a table. So okay, bye, stay home, stay safe.